Okay. I'm about to have a good day, no matter what they say. Good morning, guys. It is Monday. Welcome back to my channel. I am Shakay. You probably don't know this face, or you probably not used to face here anymore. I'm sorry, but I did tell you guys that I've kind of like lost the interest in vlogging. So it's like when I feel like vlogging, I don't want to like just do this out of mere, just do it because more views. No, I usually love vlogging, right? And I kind of lose a love for it. So last night I actually felt like I wanted to vlog this week. So yeah, probably because of school, because I really don't like school, really don't like work. And it's coming, like we have like 3 weeks left, so probably that is the motivation for me right now, just the hope of seeing that it's just 3 weeks left. So today's Monday, we're starting off the vlog. I'm hoping to do like a week in my life or something like that. Yeah, so right now feels kind of puffy, kind of just wake up, but in the kitchen about to find something for breakfast, and I think I probably also need to find something for lunch because I don't know, I can't find nothing at school to eat, so I'm gonna find something at home. And I think I have some kimchi or something, but I don't know yet. No, yes, I have some. I can't remember the name I found yesterday, but I'm gonna finish it, so I'll add something else to it. And then, oh yes, I think I already did, yeah, add something to it. For breakfast, we had some callaloo from yesterday. We're gonna re-eat that and then call that a day. Yeah. Alright, so that's from yesterday. And lunch for today. Yeah. Yeah, move up on some. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah. Yes, this is the lunch for today. I have some rice and some something. Now see. No. She not loans people on Elpar. What's happening? It's the same way.
So I don't make the...
You mean the summer body, yeah? We need the summer body now. Alright guys, so ready for work. I'm trying to start my week in a kind of cutesy way, but yeah. So let's see if it holds for the day. I don't know. Let's see.
Look what you created. Everything surrounding me, you made it. Everything so beautiful, the way it flows together. I think I hear birds singing your praises. Amen. I swear you make me feel like I'm your favorite. Oh, it's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me. It's the way your love feels. It's the way that I hear all of creation singing with me. It's the way the fruit grows and knows when to let go. And it's time again for a new season.
Hey guys, so I'm back home. It is currently 4:28. Yeah, I just reached home. I was waiting on one of my coworkers, and then I kind of stopped to get some packages. Lighting in the house is like terrible. Yeah, I stopped to get some packages. So I'm home right now. Alright, so do not fall off. Yeah, I look weird-ish, but yeah. So how are y'all doing? I'm tired. Definitely tired. I'm kind of hungry-ish. I don't know, kind of just feel hungry. So I got a banana. It's a banana. Eat banana weird, people. Very weird. Make eat banana like one little baby. Now we can check on the packages and keep it all. Alright guys, so I have about six of the packages in here are mine, but tell me why nobody can get me to buy back from Temu. Alright, this one, because tell me why me never know say from Temu. I'm telling you, after you make your order, see if the orders are from different like stores or whatever them call it, I don't know, shippers, it's like you pay a different shipping fee. On Shein, that is not the case. I pay one shipping fee, and if you get free shipping, you get free shipping for everything, right? That's not the same thing for Temu. Then all of my packages they came separate, so they have to pay like separate shipping for everyone. So anyway, so the first thing is a what? What color is it? A phone holder. My mom actually sent this to me. I'm hoping that it actually fits her phone. So it's like a thumb thing. So it comes with two. I thought it was one, but it comes with two. But most of the things I bought were actually for camp. I needed some tops for camp. So 5 out of these 6 are actually t-shirts. Yeah. So let's see what they look like. And they actually have quality. So people just talk about Temu quality, and I'm fine with Shein quality. The fact is, but it kind of wants. I wanted some. What do you call those? They kind of look weird. Yeah. Anyways, hopefully, I'm not seeing properly. But yeah, I kind of wanted some t-shirts that are kind of, what do you call it, Disney-ish, Nickelodeon-ish, like cartoonish, to go to camp, because it's like I'm going to the kiddies camp, and I'm like, you know, yeah. So and they are big. Mind you, this is supposed to be a 2X. 2X will look like one 3X. Anyways, so this is the Lion King one, Hakuna Matata. So yeah, too bad, you know, feel too thin and nothing, you know. That is one t-shirt. That. Let's see which one this is. The earth still in my earth. I don't like it coming on a Temu bag will make it look cute or nothing. It just sure. Alright, this is a stitch one. Yeah. Cute. And it's also a 2X. So I try to buy them all in 2X, because normally when I buy my 3X shirt them, they are extremely big. So that's 2 shirts, 2 packages. That's at 5. Alright. So a white shirt. Okay then. Are you kidding me? This cannot be a 2X. This cannot be a 2X. Like, what I think I'm saying? A 2X? Like, seriously? Anyways, so this is what this shirt looks like. When I see it, kind of, yeah. Supposed to be a Monster Inc. t-shirt, but mighty. Look at how long this is. Like, it's just gonna swallow me. Oh my gosh. These are not my size at all. You know my size for Shein, and that is not it. Like for Shein, this is not the size. Like, Y'all, that's so not right. Anyways, so that's that. Let me check on the next 2 packages that are here. May I expect me I'll get one, what do you call that? What do you call that shirt then? I was expecting, what the hell? That is not my shirt. That is definitely not my shirt. I did not order that shirt. Me not order that shirt here. Oh my teachies, you know, so them people are wicked. Why did I not see that it was just the shirt and not the... This me not order that shirt, you know, guys. This is supposed to be, I thought it was going to be a suit. It was supposed to be a 90 set. And if I tell you how much me pay for that shirt here, hey, never again. You put it together and make it look like a one set. Don't do that. Don't do that. And 2 shirt them still not reach. The shirt them I actually buy this thing for still not reach. I'm upset, I'm not lie. It's a Rugrats shirt. So yeah, really upset. 2, 3, 4. We're supposed to get 2 other shirts, which are the inside out shirts. I'm supposed to get for my sister. And so that still don't get. And the 90 shirt, that's just, those are just. So the 2 inside out shirts don't reach it. They're supposed to be coming from the same like buyer or whatever. So that cost me like $79, so that's like $18 together. It's like $8 a piece. No, $9 a piece. I mean a taxi. $9 a piece. So those are the shirts I actually wanted because of the camp. Where camp is like inside out it name, like the theme is inside out. So I wanted to get some inside out shirts for me and my sis. So we bought that shirt. And then because it's kiddies camp, I said, alright, then I'm gonna buy some of those shirts. And that's why I ended up on Temu, because the inside out shirt on Temu, I wasn't finding the inside out 2 shirt on Temu. So I opted to buy the shirt on Temu instead. So reach checkout. See, I was sorry I even considered Temu. But after I get that last shirt, I'm deleting Temu because it's not worth me. So it's not worth it. It's not worth it. So yeah, at the first I'm actually not interested in like orders. Yeah, at the first I'm not interested in the orders when we get like, I love t-shirt people. Anybody who know me? Like anybody who really know me knows I love t-shirts like a lot. And these t-shirts are just not having it for me. They're not popping, or they popped on this. Anyways, so yeah, that's them. So the Hakuna Matata. This is the worst one ever because the white is not even whiting. The white is more creamish. This is the Monster Ink one. I do like the picture though. So yeah, picture is cute, but shirt itself, no. This is the Rugrats one. Kind of like the picture as well. And the black not bad. You know, black. Never go wrong with black, but yeah. Yeah, Rugrats. And then my Stitch one. So cutesy, so demure. Yeah. And then this is supposed to be my nightie, but I don't know how this is gonna work because I do need a shorts part. I don't have a shorts to go with this. Honestly, the color just Ugh. Like, which bear is this color? This is so thin. Like, whoever print this, when I go down. Oh no, I go down for that. Say hi. That's all. No, it's not. No. No, it's not too vlog. No, it's not too vlog. No. You just early for the vlog, so. You made this? Hey guys, so it is Wednesday. I'm back home. I want to show you guys my cute hairstyle before I actually take it off. May I try style the wig like in different styles. So yeah, this is the style I came up with. I think I'll just keep it for tomorrow. And for Friday, I kind of want do over the braiding of my hair. I don't know. Kind of want to do the braiding of my hair or something, like can I go down with like braid pony in or something. I don't know, cause I don't want to comb hair for the weekend and I go out for the weekend. So yeah, I actually like this. I actually like the styles I've been trying with my wig. But yeah, I'll take it down now. So yeah, I'm tired, people. I'm tired. I can't wait for like next week reach when exams start and just up and done. I have like 2 weeks of exam, pretty much, basically. Yeah. I'll talk to you guys later.